Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change double click speed on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. And the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face and go to the app menu. On the app menu, locate and click on settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to accessibility and click on it. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page. Just keep scrolling until you get to button click speed. Click on that. Now, to change your button click speed on your Apple Watch Series 9, select slow or slowest. So, preferably, adjust the speed required to double or triple click the side button or the digital crown. So, you can either go with slow or slowest or simply shows default. And after that, you are good. So that's exactly how to change button click speed on Apple Watch 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.